Ramen Nagi began in Japan, created by Chef Satoshi Ikuta's fashion and vision. Starting as a weekly ramen shop in Fukuoka, it has since expanded into a global brand known for customizable, high-quality tonkotsu ramen. And today, that story continues, right here in Manila, as the best tasting authentic Japanese ramen in the Philippines. Good day, fellow food trippers! Join us on this food trip as we experience Ramen Nagi at the upper ground level, north wing of SM City San Lazaro, Manila. Ramen Nagi is known for its signature King Ramen Bowls. Its menu is renowned for the Butao King or the original King. The signature award-winning pork broth is simmered for 20 hours. It is Ramen Nagi's bestseller and celebrated for its rich, creamy, and savory tonkotsu pork bone broth. It is the classic go-to option for new customers, often served with custom-designed toppings, including tender pork belly, pork shoulder, and soft-boiled tamago. Alongside are the signature ramen colorful variants, such as the Spicy Red King, a popular option for spicy food lovers. It is a spicy blend of miso, garlic, and cayenne pepper, often topped with chili oil. And for something deep and intense, the Black King delivers, with its signature smoky, flavorful broth recommended for seafood lovers. A savory blend of blackened garlic and squid ink with bold umami flavor. A must-try is the Green King, which brings a bold twist with its popular fusion combining basil-based pork broth topped with olive oil, garlic, and Parmesan cheese. The blending of herbs gives a unique flavor that stands out instantly. The best part is that every diner is encouraged to customize their bowl of ramen by peeling out an order sheet for the ramen base, the strength of flavor and spiciness, the richness of the broth, the noodle thickness and firmness, and selecting add-on toppings like pork chashu, soft-boiled egg, and seaweed for that extra depth of umami goodness. We ordered 2 bowls of our family's favorite, the Wonder Kakuni King, also known as the Japanese braised pork belly, and went for the chef's recommendation for the ramen's original, authentic flavor. The melt-in-your-mouth pork belly is slowly simmered in a sweet, savory soy-based sauce, topped with boiled eggs and daikon, and garnished with scallions or shredded leeks. It is rich, indulgent and packed with tender braised pork that melts in delicious goodness in every bite. And for our little foodie, the Nagi Kiddie Meal is the best choice. It is served in a pan, car-shaped dish, featuring a Butao Jr., the smaller portion of signature original Butao King, along with chasu rice, and side options of fried chicken karaage, gyoza, or tamago, complete with a dessert of creamy vanilla ice cream for that perfect sweet ending. Additionally, Ramen Nagi created a monthly special ramen known as the Limited King. It is a creative limited edition product like the Oyster King, a seasonal offering for May. The Oyster King has a blend of creamy tonkotsu and a briny oyster-infused broth, topped with large Japanese oysters, savory pork and oyster mince, and silky noodles. It has an intense umami-rich, seafood-focused flavor. And for a complete dining experience, diners must also try their delicious sides. The crispy signature Nagi Karaage is juicy inside and crunchy on the outside. The savory curry spring rolls are crispy with a flavorful hint of kick. And the refreshing cucumber salad is light, cool, and perfectly balanced with a touch of mild creamy mayo. From Japan to Manila, Ramen Nagi stands out as the ultimate destination for Japanese ramen lovers, offering a legacy of passion and quality in every bowl. With generous portions, reasonable prices, and a wide selection to suit all tastes, it's easy to see why it remains a favorite among families and food adventurers alike. If you're looking for a satisfying and authentic Japanese ramen experience, Ramen Nagi delivers every time. If you love food adventures like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next food trip. Thank you for watching.